Hey everyone, it's Hazel Dixon here. I am going to show you how to do inked one stroke. I did this on my live the other day on my Facebook page as a challenge while we're all in lockdown. So here you can see me blending the two colours together. I am using Jet and Casper, and I'm also using my one stroke one brush. So I'm now putting the paint down to create my first butterfly wing. I always prefer to do one wing bigger than the other so that it gives the effect of the butterfly flying. Going to blend my colours again to do my second wing. Popping it down and then stroke it round. I'm just adjusting the first wing to make sure that I'm happy with my blend. And when I'm happy, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. And here I am doing my second coat. The second coat is important because I feel that it gives it a much better colour, and we'll need this when we use our inks later on. So make sure you stay within your lines, and I'm doing the second wing again, just defining the outside of my wings. And then before I put that in the lamp, I'm going to create the two bottom wings. These are a lot smaller and more rounded. And make sure that it comes up into the point that we created on the top wing. So the second one is going to be even smaller because we want to give the effect that it's flying away from us. So that side of the butterfly will be slightly smaller. And then pop that in the lamp to cure. Now using my fine liner brush. And for this, I'm using Jet and a really light touch. And I'm just outlining the wings of the butterfly and defining them before I put it in the lamp. So here I'm using my fine liner and Jet again, and I'm just doing the antennas of the butterfly. Then I'm going to make a small round dot for the head of the butterfly. And then I am doing the body. So at this point, if you wanted to, you could always leave that as a one stroke butterfly. But here I am applying our no wipe matte top coat. This step's important if you're going to use your inks. So pop that in the lamp and then get your chosen coloured inks out. And I'm using the Artist 1 brush. And I'm going to use my inks to do a coloured ombre. So here I'm using yellow and red from the Profile Girls. And then I'm blending the two inks together on each wing. And continue to do this on all the wings until you're happy with the colour. So this is another butterfly, but I'm just demoing, showing how you can get different effects with different colours. So this one is using the purple and pink. So pop your pink ink around the outside and blend. And then I'm going to add the pink ink on the inside of each wing. And then I'm going to blend the two together. So here I'm using Shine It, which is a no wipe shiny top coat, and pop it in the lamp. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.